Shabbat Shalom, and wow, Shana Tova, it's right here, it's the last Shabbos of the year, Shabbat Slichos. We're going to have midnight services for the Slichot on Saturday night. So, we watch what goes on in Israel, and someone asked me a question this week. So when we're attacked, the Jewish people unite as one family, but then eventually that wears off and we're all again in disaccord. And we're watching, this is the first time that Israel had to deal with a war that's taking so long. Wow, Simchat Torah is going to be a year. And it's not over yet. And because it's taking so long, we've always had the Jewish people so united when there's a war in Israel, but that's not what's happening now, because time does what it does for us Jewish people, that we get back into disaccord. So the message here is, let's look at this the right way. This week's Torah portion starts with the verse, Atem Nitzavim kulchem hayom, you're all standing before God. And we're standing as one unit, united. But right after that, Moses goes on to start counting all our differences. There's these type of Jews and those type of Jews and these type of Jews and those type of Jews. He lists 10 different categories. Why would he do that? You just said that we're standing as one. And I think it's important that, I'm going to just say it as it is, that we grow up and that we realize, like mature people, that discussions, disagreements doesn't equal disaccord and lack of unity. Yeah, we're Jews, and yeah, we get passionate. And yes, when we argue, we're brought up by the Torah, so each and one of us think that we have the God-given answer, what we have to do and what we don't have to do, and we have maybe not that tolerance for someone that disagrees with us. But at the end of the day, we're one people, brilliant people, that are constantly re-questioning and focusing on what is right and what is wrong from every single angle. So yeah, we have to remember that we are one people, that's it, period. And it's okay within these one people to have people of such different opinions, and passionately so. So people, let's bring ourselves as we are before God. Let's not homogenize, but let's remember that we are one people. Shabbat Shalom, Shana Tova.